Lindbergh intercepted Hamonic, tossed it up and out. Loose puck center ice. Messier tied up. Their work loose Hamonic, and back come the Americans. Haskell's right wing, lost an edge, went down, turned it over, and there at center ice, Hamonic, big hit, and then Hickman. After Hamonic, Hickman comes in and goes right after Hamonic after the hit. And now Hamonic back on Hickman as the linesmen step in. So Lepsmer's getting drilled there at center ice by Hamonic. See if there'll be a penalty on the play. But Hickman straight after Hamonic. Penalties forthcoming, and we'll take a 90-second timeout right here, and Hickman going to go down the runway. They have an instigator. Penalties at 10:44.